welcome back to the channel and welcome back to my kitchen. So in today's video we are officially cooking the long awaited Tola sauce. Are you guys ready? So if today is your first time here, you're very much welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I want to say a very warm welcome to you once again for always tuning in. And if you're yet to subscribe, you're thinking, should I not, should I beg, I think God beg you, just tap on that red button and turn your notification to all. Our ingredient here, I have this merluzzo. We call it merluzzo here. I've already cleaned it and I've dropped a bit of lemon juice in it. If you know me better, you know how much I love lemon juice and how much I love fish as well. So for our Tola, we need some Scotch bonnet, 2 medium-sized onion. Then here I have some green bell pepper, paprika, and here I have some palm oil, then some peanut butter. Yeah, we do use peanut butter on Tola. I have some salt, then I have my Maggi cubes, and here is the protagonista, la protagonista per questo piatto. This is the Tola powder, and it actually looks like ogbono, but it is not. And here I have my cow skin. This cow skin I've already cleaned and washed it. As you can see, I normally cut my cow skin in biteable pieces because I love it when it's very small. And over here I have some shrimps. So here is the pot. Now I'm just going to add this cow skin and bring it to a boil or to a cook, because this one actually take a longer time for it to done. Like it requires an hour to an hour 30 minutes. So here is the rice. The rice is all done because the cookers signed this one, so it is done. We normally eat Tola with rice, though sometimes we do eat it with fufu or any swallow of your choice. You can actually eat it with any swallow of your choice because it is very slimy, but we normally eat it with rice.
Two hours later.
Make you feel
So this is actually the reason why I left this palm oil, because tola actually, the powder, we actually mix it with palm oil because we don't want it to be lumpy, so you have to mix it with some palm oil. Now it's time to tidy up because the sauce is actually finished. Voila! Food is ready. So this is the end of this video. If you do like it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, please, if you haven't already. Share with friends and family. And until my next video, I will see you very soon. A la próxima. Ciao, ciao.